The Eggplant Expedition invites viewers on an illuminating journey into the world of eggplants, exploring the diverse varieties, cultural significance, and culinary prowess of this versatile vegetable. The documentary begins by unraveling the historical origins of the eggplant, tracing its roots in Asia and its spread to various corners of the globe. Discover the eggplant's journey from wild varieties to the cultivated forms we know today. Explore the vibrant palette of eggplant varieties, from the classic purple globe to the exotic shapes and colors found in different regions. Agricultural experts and horticulturists guide viewers through the array of eggplant cultivars, highlighting their unique flavors and culinary uses. Take a visual tour of eggplant fields, showcasing the cultivation process from seedling to harvest. Learn about the ideal growing conditions and agricultural practices that contribute to a successful eggplant harvest. Discover the culinary alchemy of eggplants in kitchens around the world. Chefs and home cooks share their expertise, demonstrating the versatility of eggplants in a wide range of dishes, from classic moussaka to contemporary plant-based creations. Embark on a culinary journey, exploring how eggplants are embraced in diverse cuisines. From Mediterranean delicacies to Asian stir-fries, witness the eggplant's ability to adapt and enhance flavors in various cultural contexts. Dive into the nutritional profile of eggplants, exploring their health benefits and role in promoting a balanced diet. Nutritionists and health experts share insights into the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that make eggplants a valuable addition to meals. Uncover the symbolic significance of eggplants in different cultures and traditions. From fertility symbols to superstitions, the documentary explores the rich cultural tapestry woven around this humble vegetable. The Eggplant Expedition sheds light on efforts to conserve and protect eggplant biodiversity. Experts discuss sustainable farming practices and initiatives aimed at preserving the genetic diversity of eggplant varieties. The Eggplant Expedition concludes by celebrating the eggplant's journey from field to table and its enduring role in global culinary traditions. This documentary invites viewers to appreciate the richness and diversity of eggplants, encouraging them to explore new recipes and savor the cultural tapestry embedded in this remarkable vegetable.